Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kimmy. Today I'm going to show you a really quick pizza that you can do in less than 5 minutes. So a lot of times people go outside and buy pizza. I know in the US it's cheaper than Canada, but still it's not cheap and the ingredients weren't that great. So I found out from Costco, actually a long time ago, they had this cauliflower pizza. So the ingredients pretty good. It looks lectin-free to me. It doesn't have anything that's banned on Dr. Gundry's list, but it does come with this tomato sauce. And I can guarantee you there must be seeds and skin in there, because in America, when we process tomato, we don't clean out the skin or the seeds like the Europeans do, especially the Italians. So if you want to have truly lectin-free tomato sauce, I would suggest you to buy something from Italy like this. This contains like tomato puree and diced tomatoes, so this will give you a nice base for your sauce. So first thing first, this is a bleached parchment paper, and I didn't know they have bleached ones, but here you have it. So then I will open up my canned tomato sauce, and I see a few seeds in here, but mostly I can dissect them from the rest, and I see there is no skin in here. So you have to be kind of careful of what you're doing in case you're getting lectin in here. I'm gonna do something that Dr. Gundry approves, which is going to be the anchovies that he said is full of omega-3s, as opposed to the salmon that we can get from Costco, which is farm raised and they don't really have a lot of omega-3 values anymore. So just so that you know, this kind of tomato sauce probably doesn't have a lot of taste because there's no salt listed or any kind of seasoning. So we probably have to add a little bit to our own pizza. So I'm gonna use my hand, grab a pinch, just like that, a little bit of iodized sea salt, and I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic powder, organic. So now comes to cheese, we want to have something kind of like what he suggested, the buffalo mozzarella cheese. It comes in a container like this with water, and I'm going to dump the water, and I will try to drain it well on a piece of paper towel when I cut it, because this will leak out some further water when you put it on your pizza. That will be undesirable because it will make it wet. And so I'm gonna cut it into smaller pieces, like thin like this, and try to cover it in the entire pizza if possible. Okay, so that's that. And now comes the fish. So I bought this anchovy soaked in olive oil, and this is made in probably Spain, or I think this is in Spain. You could also replace anchovy with sardine or other fish, or if you have smoked meat, cured meat, anything that you like, you can replace that with anchovy. I just like anchovy because of the omega-3 value, and also sardine is very good. So it's your choice. So first thing first, it's sitting in my fridge, so it's got a little bit of oil and it kind of solidifies. So I'm gonna very gingerly, using my tool to get it out, and try not to get too much oil out of it, because if I put a lot of oil, it will make the pizza greasy. So I'm just gonna put it around the pizza everywhere. Now comes my pre-sliced mushrooms. These are cremini mushrooms, 2 of them. Probably gonna overflow my pizza. So you know when you order pizza outside, they add the toppings for $1. They took you for a ride. It's so much money for the toppings. They never even put 2 mushrooms. This is 2. And I don't think I have room for 2, to be honest. It's kind of crowded on here already. I can try to squeeze it in, but it's gonna be tough. So now we're going to put this in as like this. The instruction on the pizza kit was 450 degrees for 10 minutes, and I find that usually you burn it. So I'm gonna put it at 425 and bake it for 9 minutes. And after it comes out, I will add basil on top. I'll meet you back in 9 minutes. So now the pizza is ready. This is after 9 minutes. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some basil like this. And I'm just gonna chop it a little bit and discard the stem like this. Then I'm gonna sprinkle it on top. And I'm gonna wait for this thing to settle down, cool down a little bit. Like give it about 5 minutes, then I'm gonna cut it. This is how your final work will look like. And it only takes 5 minutes prep time, 10 minutes cook time. So yeah, this is a very quick dinner. Enjoy.